Yeah.
So
like
this one
ethanol
is a great one to keep in mind. And if you have any questions on this, definitely let us know. You have any questions, Jeff?
I don't think I have any questions
All right.
today.
My cell phone, if you have any questions, 702-472-3614. You can call me anytime.
We got the bat line. You can text me at 702-907-9227. And crazy enough, if you choose to call that number, it doesn't come directly to me, but it rings to the shop. So if you accidentally hit talk instead of send for a text, you're just going to call me at the shop. But call the shop number, because I like the shop number. It's 702-433-LUBE.
I love it.
Right? The wetter the better. 5823. That's how you spell lube in numbers.
I love it. All right. So that pretty much sums it up. If you have any questions, definitely reach out to us.
Call us.
And if you want to try the products at wholesale, this is the preferred customer book.
Oh, yeah.
And we have our links in the description section below. And you can check that out. And all you do is you become a preferred customer. It'll give us credit. And that pretty much sums it up.
And don't think you're locked into just automotive products. I went home, I had a door that was pissing me off, so I got some of the silicone spray. I mean, we've got chain oil, we've got silicone spray, we've got power foam.
Show them, Jim.
These products on my shelf alone, I've got the power foam, I've got some of the heavy duty, I've got the silicone spray, I've got the MPHD, I've got the regular MP. There is just so much to offer. You've got gun oils, 2-stroke, 4-stroke, everything you want. So everything in your life can be touched by AMSOIL.
Yep.
Everything.
Yeah. And this is the this is the upper cylinder right here. There's all the stats on it, what it's good for. And that actually is amazing for fuel mileage.
Yeah.
And it actually is better than all the other, you'll see the other tests on the other additives. You'll see the difference on them. So it's quite a bit of an upgrade,
yeah,
and it's definitely something you'll feel, and it ends up paying you back in the long run. Your engine lasts longer, plus you get better gas mileage.
So I've told you about my Corolla and I need a timing chain, right?
All right.
So I bought a Corolla, great car, but it does need a timing chain. It's got a little bit of a clatter.
All right.
Now, when I first got it, it had a really loud clatter. So what I did is I didn't want to put the great oil, so I did the AMSOIL OE. My startup noise is less than 25% of the sound I had when I first started. Now, it did not fix anything. Oil cannot fix a mechanical problem, but boy, it's nice not hearing that thing clatter, because it was clattering for about 4 or 5 seconds. Now it's at and then it's back up to pressure. Don't drive your car like I'm driving my car. I'm going to pay through the nose to fix my shit. Okay? I'm making a conscious decision to mess up my car, I suppose. That's a horrible thing to say. I occupy my time fixing your vehicles. Your vehicles, unfortunately, take precedence over mine. Not unfortunate for you, unfortunately for me. Really unfortunate for my wife. She's not a fan.
All right.
So that's it. Avi, do you want to come say hi? No. All right.
All right.
You've got the silent giant over there.
And this is a oil consumption test, which is really good. And this is on the diesel oil. And that's a really good one. It kind of shows the industry standard. And you'll also see here the scuff liner test. And that shows what it looks like with the film strength. So on your diesel engines, all your liners and your rings will last longer when you have the 100% synthetic film strength. And that's what seals your cylinder and keeps you from burning oil. Oh, I like that. I like that. Looks good. And then if you want to do a flush, that'll also get a lot of the carbon deposits out. I'm going to put that flush video right up here in the corner. You can check that out. And anything else, Jeff?
That's it. Just show them the magazine one more time.
All right. That's it. All right.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! We will see you back next time.
Next time.
On synthetic oil protection.
That's right. So,
Jeff,
sir,
let's do it. Cheers to protection, protection, protection. See you back next time.
Thanks, guys. Awesome sauce.